Alright. I'm assuming this is the garage name. We're here at the Municipal Garage in Fredrick. It's the first garage elevators I've recorded. We got some Thyssenkrupp in there. Let's just... Oh.
Please pay here before returning to your vehicle.
Nah,
Please
yep.
pay here before
We're doing that
returning
later.
to your vehicle.
Yeah. Sweet. There is a basement down there, so we're trying to be.
Fee is $1. Please pay the parking fee by credit card, discount ticket, points, or banknotes.
Here it is.
Now checking your credit card. Please wait.
Let's call it again. There's a bit of payment we had to do.
Please insert your parking ticket to your vehicle.
Oh,
Please pay here before returning to your vehicle.
my goodness, this place is insane. Here it is again. Let's go to the roof. TK elevator. Probably from the 2000s. Here at the roof. It's the top one. We have one, and there's a fly outside. So that's 3. We'll do the cap view. Cap view of this thing. It's a nice elevator. These are fixtures. We got. Here we got 3. There it goes. That's it.